How to enable or disable correct spelling automatically in keyboard on MacBook Air. And okay guys, sir, in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Keyboard. In keyboard, okay, you can see here the text input section and you can see here the input source. And on the right side of this, you can see the edit button. So okay, you'll have to do is click this and the pop-up are show. And now you can see here the all input source. And you can see the correct spelling automatically. And the correct spelling automatically is enable. So if you want to disable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully disabled. And if you want to enable again, okay, you'll have to do is click edit button again and switch on the switch button on the right side of correct spelling automatically and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled correct spelling automatically in keyboard on MacBook Air.